Okay, so this is 5.4, and this is part 2 of the video. So now that we have memorized the formulas, they're right here. When we're asked to find the exact value of this, now that's not a special triangle, that neither is that one. I can't calculate the tangent of 32 without a calculator. But if I look at this kind of reminds me of one of the formulas. Tangent of A plus tangent of B, 1 minus tangent of A, tangent of B. This reminds me of that formula. And looking at that purple paper, the tangent of A plus B, tangent of A plus B is really 32 plus 13. And so I'm really asked to calculate the tangent of 45 degrees. A plus B. And the tangent of 45 degrees, well, that's just a 1. I drew a triangle, should get a 1. Looking at part B. Cosine, cosine, minus sine, sine. Again, looking at that purple paper. Cosine, cosine, sine, sine. This is the cosine of A plus B. And so I need to realize that this is the A value and this is the B angle. So I'm really asked to calculate that. And I could add those up. I'll get the same denominator, make that an 18, so that's a 2 over 18, 2 pi over 18 plus pi over 18 is really 3 pi over 18, which actually reduces to pi over 6. And so we can calculate the cosine of pi over 6 exactly as Brad 3 over 2. Okay, I'm going to move on. Recognizing the formula. Y equal sine cosine plus cosine sine. This is the sine of A plus B. So all we're asking you to do is to add the A and the B. Well, the A value and the B value should be the sine of 4x. Now in class, we will spend some time to graph that. But right now, I just want you to understand and know the formulas. So part B and part C. Pause, take a look at them, try to calculate them yourself, and then I'll give you the answers right now. A hint for the cosine, if this is minus, this would be a plus. For the tangent, if you have a minus on top, that will be a minus. So, well, I really can't resist. You should know the graph of the tangent. The graph of the tangent does this. The graph of the tangent has a vertical asymptote at pi over 2 and another one at negative pi over 2. This is 1 and this is negative. Okay, that was it. Part 2, homework. I almost forgot the homework.